The takeoff runway and departure procedure can be entered at any time during the pre-flight, before or after the flight plan has been activated. To select a departure runway, go to the Takeoff and Climb tab and select Runway SID. Select the departure runway. The SIDS window displays all of the available departure procedures in the navigation database for the selected runway. If a departure procedure is not required, you can leave it blank. To select a departure, click on the SID name and transition and insert it into the pending flight plan. Review the selection and then activate it. Once the departure runway and procedure are activated, the SID takeoff window will be shown and the transition altitude will be highlighted. The transition altitude defaults to 18,000 feet. Verify the transition altitude and change it if necessary, and push Enter. The cursor will jump to the V-speed field. Enter the takeoff V-speeds. Entry of V-speeds is optional. If V-speeds are entered, they will be displayed on the airspeed indicator on the PFD during takeoff. Once the speeds are entered, click on Send. This sends the entered V-speeds to be displayed on the PFD. Any point in a flight plan where a continuous path does not exist creates a flight plan discontinuity. A discontinuity is created in a flight plan at any time a defined flight path does not exist between two waypoints. Adding a departure procedure typically results in a discontinuity in the flight plan. It is caused by a lack of a common point between the departure procedure and the flight plan. Click on the discontinuity window and select Delete Waypoint once it has been determined that the discontinuity can be removed from the flight plan.